Alright, Potato Head, what is this plan all about? Well, here's the idea. What I'm going to do is build me a really cool dance and party place. Bob and Chief come to inspect it for fire alarm systems, and then we grab the fire truck. Potato Head, that has to be the most stupidest plan I've ever heard. Well, Miss Potato Head, maybe it may be stupid to you, but I've got an idea. Sure you do. But if you want to do that plan, then that's fine. Okay? But don't come crying to me when it... Miss Potato Head, you are the point woman on this. What do you mean? You are going to make sure that Bob and Chief stay busy while I go and take the fire truck. How is it that you are going to take the fire truck, Potato Head? That's for me to know and for you to find out. I am not too sure about this plan, Potato Head, but alright, I'll go along with it. Good. Now come on, we got a lot of work to do. So, how do you like being in this reformed prison? Well, it's kind of interesting, guys. Yeah, I know. It's going to take a while to get adjusted. We're missing a few things, though. I mean, we got the bed, and that prison door is locked, which is a good thing. Yeah, it's... we'll need to get a key for that. Anyway, that doesn't matter. Listen, Bob, I know you're got a lot of things on your plate, but there's this new dance club place going in across the street, and we're gonna need to check it out. Check it out as in how? Well, make sure that they're complying with the local fire codes. Oh, that. Yeah. If I know something about this stuff, it's that some people don't even care. Yeah. But we're going to have to put a stop to that. We're going to have to enforce these fire codes. Otherwise, well, there's going to be trouble. And we don't want trouble. Yes, I know. But who's gonna... Hello? Anyone in here? Hello? Oh, excuse me, sir. Oh, hello. Who are you? Name's Travis. I'm a new firefighter here. My dog Sparky will be in here in just a second. Hey, Sparky. Huh? What? Oh, you. Wait, Chief, you know him? Yeah. Let's just say that we got into a little bit of a scuffle the other day. It was you? Yeah, we had sort of a disagreement. I see. But look, we are going to be partners on this one, so I kind of would like to start off on a new foot here. Okay, well, Travis, welcome to the team. Sparky, you and Chief be good dogs. Oh, I plan on it. Anyway, guys, glad that we got a better team now. So what's the plan? Well, right now we're trying to update this police department, and then tomorrow we got to go in for a code enforcement on a local business that's coming in. It's called Dance Hall by... Wait, am I reading this correctly? The Potato Heads? They're going into business as a dance hall? Wait. You know the Potato Heads? We've had quite a few run-ins. Good, I hope. No, bad. Bad. How? They're always trying to steal our fire truck. Well, don't worry. There's going to be a little bit of a surprise for them if they try and steal your fire truck. How so? Well, let's just say I got some strong forces on our hand. Okay then. It's good to have you here. Oh no. That can't be. No. Not him. What? What? Travis is back. Travis? Who's Travis? Let's just say that we had a little bit of a run-in. Wait, you know Travis? Yeah. Back in my Arsonville days. I was quite a hot potato back in the day. You... Don't ever pun like that again. What? I was a hot potato. You are not a hot potato. Yeah, I was. You are not. What? A rundown police department? Are you crazy? What? Bob's living in a rundown police department? But okay. We'll make do. But Potato Head, if this plan comes back to bite us in the tuchus, you're going to be in a world of hurt. Oh, I'm so scared. That better not be sarcasm. Okay, well look, we'll do enough fire stuff to get us passable. What do you mean, Mr. Potato Head? We're only going to install a sprinkler system. What? I thought you wanted to make it so that it was passable. Well, listen. The longer Bob stays here, the better the chance that we have to take his fire truck. Ah, I see. But my question is, yes, Potato Head. How are we going to keep Bob from finding out what our real plan is? Because you know how this is a rundown police department, right? Yes. Well, what I was thinking is that we kidnap Bob and put him in one of the old prisons. I like it. I like it a lot. But what? Won't Bob find out what we're doing? That's the beauty. He won't. Because he'll be too busy, all tied up. So, when will we be able to play our first hits here? Sooner than you think, Mr. Potato Head. Sooner than you think. Wait, we're actually going to play music? Hello, it's a dance hall. Yeah. A dance hall disguised as a police department. What? It makes it cool. Cool. Yeah. Alright. But everything else is ready.